Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are right now inactive. Probably you will have also those inactive. It is because that by default the device will use the automatic time and the time zone. So all we have to do right now is to turn off all of those switchers to unlock the options connected with date and time. So let's now tap on date, and here we can choose the date from the calendar. Just find the option, mark it, and then tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from the clock and confirm it. Of course it will be immediately applied to the status bar. And the time zone, just tap on the time zone option, tap on the region, and here we've got the available regions from which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. Of course, again, it will be immediately applied, and be aware because it will affect the time you've set before. The time format, we can also use local default if you want to, so it is more or less automatic, but we can also manually decide. So now we've got the 12-hour format, and if you'd like to set 24-hour one, just tap on this switcher here and it will be immediately applied. So that was the manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.